Okay, so here's the installation of this wig. I'm literally just going in with my Got To Be Glued hairspray. As you can see, the knots on this wig bleach super well. I also did a bunch of plucking, so it already looks natural before I even go in and start to adhere the lace to my head. It was already looking like it was stuck there, like it's a glueless wig. But I did take some time to really customize it, so when you do end up buying this, make sure that you have to put in the work yourself as well. I'm going in and laying down the baby hairs and stuff that I already kind of pre-cut myself too, and making sure that everything is laying down. I make the weirdest faces whenever I do this, so don't mind me. It's just what happens. And I'm just laying everything down. It's looking good. I'm also kind of sealing the baby hairs with Got To Be Glued. I always do that, especially when it's in the summertime, because things can lift up, especially when you start to sweat, and that helps me a lot. Now I'm going in and I'm just kind of defining everything with my leave-in conditioner. It's just mostly water though, and I kind of just use that for my curlier wigs and stuff, and it already looks so cute. It looks very, very natural. I can't believe I customized this all by myself, like literally from, I mean, honestly, like the lace tint really did help, but the bleach knots helped too, and especially my plucking. Like I did so much plucking. Like it looked like I could make a whole new wig with all the hair that I took out, and it lays super flat. So yeah. Okay, hi guys, I'm back with a new video. Yeah, I got this wig from Junoda hair. They sent me this wig, honestly, like what, last week? So comes with a bunch of stuff, a little bag. I think this is the same wig that's honestly on the bag, which I think is cool. I feel like it's the same unit. IDK. They have a little card. They have a baby hair brush. They've got a little scarf, lashes, wig caps, which honestly are never in my color, but that's fine. That's fine. So we're gonna get into the specs of this unit. I did some intro shots earlier and this wig looks so cute. And honestly, I will say I did bleach the knots to this wig. I think I filmed that, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure I filmed it for the beginning of this video. Yes, yeah, I'm gonna say that I did. Bleach the knots. This is how everything is looking. And I also used a lace tint too, but like, yeah, the knots bleach pretty well, and you can just tell from the front here. I also plucked a bunch for this wig. Like I plucked it a lot. Might not be able to tell, but I really did my best job to pluck this unit. Okay, so this is a 22-inch, which honestly, I guess it just stretches to 22 inches. Yeah, stretches there. 22-inch deep curly 13x4, well, deep wave lace frontal wig. The density is 150%, so it's not super thick, which I'm happy about. I really don't like super thick wigs because it takes so much longer to pluck it and to customize it. It's just a lot going on. I prefer my wigs to be on the thinner side. That's just my personal choice, but yeah, anyways. The price of this wig is $304.84. Not bad, honestly. Whoa. The price of this wig is $304.84, which is not bad at all. You're getting a lot of hair for it. It honestly takes really, really well to bleaching the knots, as well as just, you know, plucking it and customizing it. I feel like the lace is pretty good in that respect. Sometimes lace that I work with can be really stubborn, and I say this because even when you put as much, like, you know, even if you bleach the knots really well, even if you use enough Got To Be Glued, or like even like, I don't know, a bonding spray, it can still look really messy and not good. But other times, you know, lace is kind of made thinner, even if it's not supposed to be an HD or undetectable lace. Sometimes you really don't know what you're getting, especially with all these different companies that you're looking at to buy, you know, your everyday go-to wig. It's really hard to find. So I try to look for wigs that honestly I can work with the lace really well with. And yeah, with this one, I can definitely say that that's the case. I will say I had to put a lot of product in here. The shedding is medium. It sheds a little bit, but it's not terrible. And yeah, I honestly, I got so many compliments when I wore this out the other day, because I just wanted to go ahead and see if I could rock it. I did. So I wore it out, got tons of compliments on this. I think this is in the cap size small. I also sewed in an elastic band to this unit too. And I went just with like a deep side part. That's what I kind of wanted to go with for this unit. So that's what I ended up doing. Sorry if I'm looking into the viewfinder too much. I'm trying not to do that. But yeah. This is the bag that it came in. And yeah, everything honestly turned out really nice. Junoda honestly sent me a really good unit. Yeah, Junoda sent me a really good unit. This is kind of close up as to how the curls are looking, which is really nice. And I also kind of tapered it a little bit in the front, but this is how up close the lace is looking as well. You can kind of still see little dots here, but I did my best to not over bleach the knots, you know, but you know, the lace tint honestly worked pretty well in my opinion. So also, I like how flat this lays. It does a really good job with that. Lays pretty flat, I like that. And yeah, I think that's all that I really have to say about this unit. I feel like they did a great job on this, and again, I get lots of compliments on my units like this, and I also went in and just made it fit my head shape. I got to just make sure I layered it the way I wanted it to, and it worked out. I didn't layer it too much, by the way. I just did a little bit for this unit, and I feel like it just looks really good. It also looks really good if you comb it out or brush it out. Oh, I think they also sent me this brush too, by the way. So I'm going to kind of brush out the curls a little bit, because I also like a kinky look too, and I kind of wore it like this the other day. I like big hair. All right, so brushing the curls out, that's how it looks. I really like big hair on me, so a look like this is also super cute. I like to just keep a little bit of like a sideburn thing going on, and then I put the rest behind my ear, and then we're good to go. Yeah, so I think that's all that I really have to say about this unit from Junoda Hair. They did a great job, and I think this looks really flattering on me. So yeah, that's all that I really have to say. I'm gonna put the link to this wig in the description down below, the direct link, as well as their website and all their social media links as well. So be sure to go ahead and check out Junoda Hair. Remember the wig, I think it's like $304.28 or something. Yeah, remember the wig is $304.84, and I feel like they also have payment options where you can do like Klarna, Sezzle, AfterPay, things like that, that you can split into 4 different interest-free payments on the website, so you don't have to pay all at once if you don't have the means to. So go get yourself this if you want it, and I think that's all that I have to say. All right, guys. Yeah. Bye.